Good morning, remote learners. This is Dr. Shivers. I'm here for your morning announcements. Today is Wednesday, October the 14th. It's a STEM day. Can't wait to see what you're learning about with your special of STEM. Today I want to share with you a book that I'm reading. It's by Alicia Keys, an autobiography, which means that she wrote it about herself, and the title is called More Myself, A Journey. Alicia's a singer, a songwriter, and has been on several different things like The Voice, so you might have seen her around. But in this book, she describes the process of writing. She says it's getting down reflections, thinking, realizing, uncovering, starting, stopping, ebbing, and flowing. We hope that you're writing every day in remote learning, so I just thought this connection was really awesome to be able to talk about the writing process that I'm sure you're encountering as well. The book that she wrote is an honest journey of how I found my way to become who I am as opposed to being what I've been told to be. That was Alicia's kind of main idea, the thesis of what she was working on. I thought it was really good. Another portion of the book talked about with any creative endeavor, you're on the line. You're going to have fear. You're going to have to overcome the fear. You're going to have doubt. You're going to have to overcome the doubt. And you're going to have anxiety. You're going to have to overcome the anxiety. We see you doing these things, overcoming fear, doubt, and anxiety every day with remote learning, and we are so grateful for the work that you are doing every day in these ways. Then she also says that we're the most resilient people. We're unstoppable. We're strong and capable. We're unbelievably loving, and I know that all of these pieces, all that makes us up, is what's going to get us through. So I thought those words were really inspiring and just wanted to share them with you. Today, I will be emailing your families with their weekly Wednesday update, and in there is a link to one of her songs that's performed by a children's choir. So for your poetry this week, I just wanted to share this little lyric set, and hopefully you'll be able to watch the whole thing from the message that I send each Wednesday to your families. The lyrics that I wanted to share says, the mothers, the fathers, the teachers that reach us, strangers to friends that show up in the end, from the bottom to the top, the listeners that hear us, this is for you. You make me fearless. You're doing a good job, a good job. You're doing a good job. Don't get too down. The world needs you now. Know that you matter, matter, matter. So this book was really great. I will be logging this book, and I hope that you all will be doing that too. These are two winners from our drawing last week. When you log your books with remote learning, again, we're trying to get to thousands of books that are read. We have a prize pack of things that are ready for you. So these are two students that came in to pick up their prizes that I got to meet. So keep up your great work logging books. As I shared with the winners yesterday, we'll invite those to come in. One last thing that I wanted to share was Alicia was interviewed by Brene Brown on a podcast, and it said in this podcast when she was talking about her book, said nothing but uncertainty is certain. Circumstances come together only to fall apart moments later, moments or months later. And then in a flash, we must rise up and regain our footing. In the rearview mirror, I now see so clearly what escaped me then. It's not the ground underneath me that was suddenly shifting. It's that it is never still. That's part of the work of my journey, getting comfortable with life's groundlessness. It seems like there's so many things moving around, friends, but we want you to know that with remote learning, you're loved, you can stay brave and courageous, and we're so grateful to be able to work with you every day. So I hope that you found some inspiration from Alicia Keys' books called More Myself, Just Like Me. I hope to talk to you again tomorrow. Have a good day, friends.